Last time we did on set and I never get the same thing. I'm not gonna see me now. Man himself.
Yes, sir. It's been a minute here for vlog G. You feel a vlog every day. What's happening? I'm Rolly. Hi.
Banana
Chips. If you don't know, Kevin is a godfather in the business, and I'm the younger generation.
Yeah, don't think I know. So we're on the set of Solace scene.
Yeah.
How has it been for you?
Yo, it's been a different experience and it's been great. Man, I like different exposure and all those things, and I feel.
Cause we see you now acting all over. Now. We see music video, everything, and then you have a YouTube channel where you bust off wicked. People don't know. I'm not gonna say you don't have to know Rolly.
No, them not have to.
You don't have to know Rolly.
Them not have to.
You see me?
Them don't have to know me, yeah.
RolleySoEasy.
Yeah.
Trouble link.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Yeah. You can search for it and things.
I'm gonna put in links in the description, so I'm gonna check him out.
But the acting has been great. That's something I really love, is it? But Kevin, I kill the scene right now. Yo, the man, I kill it right now. Me, I say, yo, what you gonna do? Kevin, really come on.
No.
See, when I Kevin,
I'm guessing I go on everything.
No, I really think people him kill the show. Like him a get him best, and him best is like great right now. Like me, I say, yo, Kevin.
When I get it from me, isn't it? RolleySoEasy.
Yeah.
Set of Solace. And I'm being videos while I'm doing some videoing.
Yeah.
Celebrity status.
But that I go on, isn't it? Check my good on shortly. I'm not gonna know what I go on. Bunny fingers. We're still there, show with people. It's a little it's a quick scene. I get done. But when I features what I like about the camera, you know, brother.
No, man,
To scream.
you're good, man.
Scream, to scream. So while the shooting I go on, I can't show no. I'm there so I talk to you, you see me? Yeah man, Samsung gonna think, oh brother, send me free phones. When we're done here, so I think we're gonna left and go shoot some pictures for me. And then shoot some scenes. And this is for part 2 of Solace, by the way. Shoot some scenes where we did leave out. Most of the juicy pieces have already been shot for part 2. So I just will go and do the additions or the stitchings. You know, some like a scene where you need in between. So I get them there. And then we're supposed to done video, but based on how the time of day where you need, you have to go wait till in the evening for finish up. So just do what needs to be done now, then probably break for a little bit to get some food if necessary. And then we're done for the day. And then I should see Solace soon and very soon. Solace spot. Duh. Right. So we've wrapped. That's not it for the day. I have one scene left, but we just finished taking some pictures. We did the scene that we were supposed to do. Rolling a day, Rolly cut. But big up yourself, Rolly. You see it? Yeah, man, really out, man. As I said, I put Rolly links them in the description. So now if people want to know about Rolly, I don't expect nobody to know about Rolly. I can go check him out on YouTube, you know. Yeah, man, the youth are excelling at the YouTube field. And we have to big him up for that. Real talk. One of the youth them grab the button and them run with it. Do it, youth. Food time, you know. Get some food. Then oh, thank you. Right on time. Get some food and then we're gonna shoot the final scene, and that's a wrap for the day, isn't it? Look like my hairline I go. But we're not gonna talk about that. Bicycle my depot, brother. Years now I'm not riding a bicycle, you know. Like long time. These are the final scene for today. And then part 2 is wrapped. This is a scene that ties into the first Solace. So when you see this, then you're not gonna get where that scene I come from with me on a bicycle. Yeah, after that I hit that. We done for the day. It was a nice day shooting, you know. I'm telling you, oh yeah, you know, so every time I come down here for shoot, rainfall. Every time I come for shoot, rainfall. I don't know what I'm saying. Jah works when you see the rainfall. Your things overall. So it's a blessing. Solace like a bus way. Is there anything else I need to say? I don't think so, you know. So that means this probably is the end of the vlog. Fairly short, but this is for the people who did ask me. Kevin, me think say a Solace I can tell you about when I talk to you and them thing there. See me I tell you about Solace now. So make sure say when time Solace come out, when you tune in, when I hit the like button, when I hit the share button. Yo! Oi! Okay. I go pump up your bicycle now. So big up on yourself, people. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I think it was fairly short, but you know, I don't want to give it too much for part 2 until you watch it. I don't want to spoil it for you. So big up on yourself. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and I go pump the bicycle now. So look more, isn't it?